Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode number 6. Restocking my ammo in Ratchet and Clank.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Alright, so we got a little Qwark challenge here. This is actually fairly challenging, if I remember correctly. It's been, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not too thrilled about it, actually. Collect these bolts and let's get rolling. I always like to put boxes like at the starting zone, so don't just run right into the level. You can get probably a good 100 to 150 bolts just by hitting the boxes in the starting area. Gotta make sure I select the swing shot this time, so I don't have a repeat of last episode. Whoop! Whee! Flying in! Alright. Whoop! Get the bolts. Okay, this is... So he's kind of going like a little circle, and then if you get hit by him, then that happens. So don't get hit by those. Actually, I don't remember if you can actually blow those things up, so I'll try to throw a bomb at it this time. See if that does the trick. Whee! Oh yeah, absolutely, you can blow it up. Keep the bomb glove out. Haha! Making it easy. Making it fun. Blowing up everything, I'm #1. Whoa, alright. Whoa, crazy. Huh. Goodbye. Okay, maybe it's not that... Maybe it's not that difficult. At least so far it's not. It might get more. Oh, we got lots of mines incoming. Blow them up. I think I wasted about 10 bombs there, but it's alright. Oh, they actually hit me there. Whoop. So the thing about this game is it's obviously the first one in the series, and I can definitely notice, especially because the last one that I played was Into the Nexus. These levels are very, very basic. So I can flat out tell you that the levels that you're going to see, even in the next one, Going Commando, are going to be vastly improved. There's like a whole lot going on in a lot of the levels. So while this game probably doesn't hold up as well as the other ones, it gets a lot better. Wasting all my bombs here. I don't care though. Okay. Open the doors. Oh my god, it's a war zone. Jesus. That should take that one out, that should take that one out, and then that should take that last one out. That should take that one out. Okay. Got it. Okay, so opens up this door. Oh, the bridge. It's falling. Yeah, I need some more bomb ammo. I think this might be the only zone where the bomb glove is like super effective. At least to me it is. Whoa! I think we're safe here. It's like smashed his face up there. Alright, run. Okay. This really is like a little obstacle course. This is kind of like one of the first like kind of tests to see where you're at in the game. It's kind of like a what's the word I can describe it? A skill test, kind of. So, if it's your first time through it, you might die a couple times doing this, but I promise you not You know, I don't. You know, I'm not big on self-promotion and everything, but if you kind of watch this, you kind of figure out how to do everything. Although, to be honest, you really should. Most of the stuff is really self-explanatory. You shouldn't have any troubles anyway. Alright, and there we go. Ah, yeah. There's something. I believe there's a secret up this way. Sweet. I think there's a gold bolt or something up this way. Don't remember 100% if there is, but we'll find out shortly, because I think that door opens. The things you remember. Also, I think that's like my 3rd or 4th gold bolt that I've gotten. Give me all that bomb glove ammo. Alright, let's roll. Almost there. Okay. Ah, this is the fun part with all the 80 billion machine guns. Okay. Trying to remember. Holy Jesus. Yeah, so when you knock them out, it's only temporary, so you kind of have to just... Probably gonna have to go back and hit that anyways, I just don't remember where they all are. So there's one there. Jesus Christ. Whoa! I think snuck up hit me from behind, what an asshole. Okay. Ah, there it is. Okay. Shit. Run. Go, 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 go. Got it. That was close. Now let's try not to get hit by the machine gun. Let's just make it easy on all of us and just do that. Alright, back. Got it. Found the door. Alright, that was ridiculous. Well, it was so hard for me to find a door, but you know, that's me. Hey. Blow up all the mines. Blow them up all the time. I remember this being much more difficult the last time I did this. I guess that's what happens the more times you play, the better you get. Look at this Captain Qwark statue. Can I destroy it? Stupid Captain Qwark. Nope. Where's the damn door at? Oh, it's over here. Woohoo! Alright, up this way. I think we're pretty much there at this point. I don't think there's anything more to go. I think there's right to a cutscene up here at the top. After we climb this longest ladder I've ever seen. Just kidding, we got more. Oh, what? What? Alright. He literally, like, homed in on me. Alright. 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 I gotta remember how you change. No. Alright, I guess we just gotta do it this way. Okay. Maybe they didn't have it in this game, or maybe I just don't. Oh, no, 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 don't throw the glove of doom in there. What are you doing? Alright, there we go. Can we get... Yes, got it. Gotta get the bolts. Most important thing out there. You gotta get the bolts. You gotta get all the weapons, and you gotta get the rhino. Hope we can get the rhino. I don't think I've ever gotten a rhino in any one of the games. I think that's just more on me. Haha, fish. What's up now, fish? Bye, fish. Yeah, but yeah, I've never gotten the rhino in any of the games. Now that I think about it. I think I might have gotten in 2, but I definitely didn't get in this game. I know for a fact I didn't. 'Cause I didn't really know what the hell I was doing the first time I played Ratchet and Clank. Let's jump down and kill everything. There we go. Obviously you want to do that first because if you put the water in there and then go across, those fish will kill you, which you just saw earlier. So don't be an idiot. Again, have to do this. After this episode, I'm gonna look up how to put the weapons on your toolbar again, because yeah, that's gonna get annoying. Let's get these boxes down first. Yeah, there ain't no way you're gonna get me. Not today. Oh boy, you might get me. Oh, that was close. There we go. Just rain it down. It's so funny watching these fish just flop around. Oh, wow, there's a lot of them. Hey guys. Do you guys like explosions? I love explosions. Ooh. Goodbye. Oh god. Okay, so now we gotta put it. Now the fun part is you gotta put it back up. Which means we gotta do that menu select again. Put that in there. Swim down across. And back up. So remember the part where I said that we were pretty much done after we climbed that ladder? We're not. Not at all. I don't remember if there's anything below. Doesn't look like it. Whee! Alright. There we go. Just kidding, that was a bad idea. That was a horrible idea, actually. And then I can do... It's raining death. Oh, wait. It's not raining death. They don't work in water. That was ridiculous. Alright. Kill all the fish. Don't get eaten by the fish. They can still eat you. Okay. Now back up, use the water pump, and then we are done with this. Don't know if we're done with the zone yet. Oh, duh, it's under quick select. A very, very, very intelligent man. Let's change it. Okay, everything else is fine. There are sure people that have watched this game a million times are they're shaking their head. As well they should be. Damn it. I got it. Okay, should open that door. Alright. Huh. Oh, yeah, you have to drain it, so that's how you get out. Okay, there we go. Some newbie moves being made in this video. I don't know this game as well as I did Jak and Daxter, which is not really saying much because toward the very end of Jak and Daxter, I couldn't. So, you're in for a treat when we get later on in this game. Alright, up we go. There. Yay. Is this the end? Have we made it? Have we journeyed to the center of the earth? Is Brendan Fraser here? These are all great questions. Will they be answered? I don't know. Maybe Brendan Fraser knows. What is Brendan Fraser even doing these days? They gonna come out with a new Mummy movie? That'd be pretty cool. There's Captain Qwark.
Well, well. You two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Qwark is going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Get off of me, you idiot!
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You catch on quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis. I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No, he is.
But why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Qwark.
No, but it will be soon.
Oh, Captain Qwark, you son of a bitch. Oh, do I remember how to fight this boss? No. Whoa! Let's just get the blaster out and let's shoot him. Look at that amazing jump right there. Shoot him! Excuse me. Shoot him again. This boss, not very difficult. Basically boils down to keep running when he when you do enough damage to Jesus Christ. When you do enough damage to him, basically that happens. He doesn't like it. He gets back up. Shoots you with lasers. And then you gotta come at him some more. So what I'm gonna use next, we're gonna use the Glove of Doom. So pretty much most boss fights in this game, you pretty much want to use your weapons that you don't use a lot first, and save your real strong weapons for till the end. Now, even though I love the Glove of Doom, it's not super effective, especially in a fight like this. So we're gonna get it out early. Whoa! Blow him up. Boom, 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 boom. Bomb, 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 bomb. Run away. Oh my god. Christ almighty. Get, oh shit. Oh, we got lucky there. Okay. Let's run back over this bridge. Alright, let's see what we got left. Oh god. Tons of blaster ammo, so we're gonna shoot him with this. Excuse me. Whoa. Get my health back up to full here. Lock on and fire. Oh, that is the most. Fuck my face. Alright, run. Yeah, that's the most irritating move. He takes all your ammo and blasts it everywhere. Okay. Let's try to get as much ammo back as we can. Alright, we got most of it back. Let's do this again. Shoot him! No, sir. Excuse me. Whoa! And that should take him down right there. Sweet. We're the best, guys. We're the best. Around. No one ever. I can't even. I don't know the lyrics to the song anymore. No one's ever gonna keep us down. Yeah, there he is. I got it.
I wonder what that infobot is for.
Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Those are direct ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Qwark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Qwark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Qwark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Qwark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
Oh, Captain Qwark. What are we gonna do with you? We kill you? Nah. No, you're too entertaining to kill. I mean, we can't kill it. Alright, we're at Planet Battaglia. We'll pick this up on the next episode. After we watch this.
The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself.
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance.
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Qwark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Ah, Ratchet, don't be so mean. Alright, we'll pick it up on the next episode. You guys take care. Take it easy. Bye.